Withdrawing money from Trip.com to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Trip.com account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, find the Wallet or Account Balance section. This is usually located in your account settings or profile area where you can view your available funds. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. In the Wallet section, look for the option to withdraw funds. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw in your bank account details. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays in processing. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review a withdrawal request to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, submit your request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Trip.com customer support for assistance.